home at last. Come along, Eigor.
Coming.
Are you going to say something? Now that we are here, it's now to fully enact our master plan.
Can I have a sleep first?
How can you think of sleep at a time like this?
I can't think of anything else.
Once that snow is gone with all of my north winds, then you can have an nap. Now, do you know where the witch has gone to? Well, let's do it before she goes.
So, what's this plan, Master?
To fully enact my plan, you, will be going up to the highest turret and placing all that snow on all my north winds. Now, could you kindly go and open the gates?
Okay.
Wait a minute. I recognize that hat from anywhere. Is that you, Black Witch of Winter? How did you find me so fast? Eigor, get back here!
Wait, I'll have a spell on you. From turning into big mouth to gentle bullies.
Oh, no, you won't.
Oh, yes, you will.
Guys, one more time. Oh, no, you won't.
Oh, yes, you will.
Oh, no, you won't.
Oh, yes, you will. I have a 4x4 Eigor Turbo solar panel roof. So there, never fear, King of Northwind, to flatten this hill. I'll turn you into a buff breeze into a gentle one.
I can't wait to see that. Is the day meant to be on? I haven't seen her in 2 years.
What kind of make excuses?
Yeah, well, she's meant to be on now. Oh.
I'm the Black Witch of Winter.
Really?
You'll always be a tinkle to me. Also, apologies for being late. The snowstorm kicked up again. It really
don't worry.
is impossible to move.
Yeah, it is.
Special Agent Alice, hand over the snow dust.
Surround your men!
Right, Inspector. I'm just scary. Someone has to spell all of you.
She will, you know.
No, she won't. She won't.
She'll be fine. 7 I see and 7 I pop. Now you're all stuck to the spot.
What? She would. I can't move. I can't move my feet.
Neither can I.
I told you she cast a spell on you.
Didn't I say I would? No.
What about these guys? Why aren't you doing anything? Oh, she probably cast a spell on you as well.
No.
What's happening here? Do you need help? Listen, we're here too late.
Yes, you are.
You really see me driving?
What made you think you can stop me when all of these failed? How many more do we have?
So they gone to Specsavers.
9 I see and 9 I pop. Now you're all stuck to the spot. Oh,
What happened? I can't move.
She's cast a freezing spell on you as well. Now we're all in the same boat. And quite a stinking one at that. We didn't have time to make new ice caps.
Stratford! And you'll stay like that until I will touch my left with the snow dust. Let's go, Cash.
Yummy. What's happening, Master?
And the Black Witch of Winter is still in the snow. Could you go after her?
Which one's the witch?
Yeah, that one.
You can't stop me. 1 I see and 1 I pop.
Esmeralda! Esmeralda! It's me! I'm Eigor!
Oh, Eigor, we are together again. We never shall. Years ago, I cast a spell on Eigor, which made her a poor, mindless slave. What happened? It was over a stupid argument, and I cast a spell on her. And it bounced back right on me. It tore me from the white witch to the black witch.
Just the sort of thing you do when you're in love. Almost as bad as sending a breakup text.
Get couples counseling next time.
All right, yeah, lovely story. Like, I'd love to hear it. But can you please set us free? My backache is kicking in here. I really should have gotten that surgery sooner.
Jesus!
I ate snow again! We must never fight again. Never shall.
What's it they forgot about us? should we get going? Do you want to jump? Free mice whenever you want them.
Weird. Alice, question.
Yes, Toby?
Will you marry me?
What's the news, dear? Yeah, I was there. It happened 5 seconds ago. Yes, I'm happy, but can you give me time to process the events of the past few months, please?
And now we've reached the end of our plays. Triumph of good over bad wins the day. You've cheered and you've heckled and had a good hiss, and lovers are set for a lifetime of bliss. Now summer will be as it always has been. Spring and summer and autumn, a natural scene. No slush in September, no frost in July. But a little chill wind might still pass us by. The cat needs a home, perhaps she'll stay with the king. The king is quite alone, so it's quite a good thing. To stay out of trouble, he'll find very hard. So don't be complicit. Please, stay on your guard. So all in all, a most satisfying day. With the king and the witch now out of the way. With spells put at haste now all been put right. With fairies and FDFs both winning the fight. As we reach the end, I'm feeling quite sad. For homeward your way you warily went. As we reach the end, I fight back a tear. Take care, stay well, and see you next year.
Cause I'm not happy tonight.